Yo, what is up, man? Trinity back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be making a beat from Ntate Stunna. But instead of using the 808, I'm going to use a log drum. Let's get into it. You know, when I start a beat, I start off with FL keys. So let's do something. So I'm going to go with the minor scale. So what is a minor scale? F is my first note, right? This is my first note. So counting from F, it's 1, 2, 3. This makes it a minor, but to be a complete minor, I have to add another one at the top there. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I remove this, I have a major. If I remove this, is a minor. Pretty much music theory. So if you want me to do music theory videos, guys, leave a comment below. So I will give you whatever knowledge I have. So what I'm doing right now is I want to make my whole scale to be F minor. So what I'm doing is I want these white notes to be in the scale that I'm working in. So for example, now when I click on every white note, it's gonna be in that key. Sounds good like that. I want to strum this by clicking Alt S. Let me select something that sounds a little bit good, like this Rhodes. Let me find some Accordion to put inside there. So I can use, there are a lot of Accordion sounds, guys. So now let me use the one from Expand. It's not as good, but it sounds decent, bro. It's inside, is it ethnic? Here it is, Tango Accordion. So now let's create a melody. So I'm adding a choir now. Now let me add a kalimba. So what I normally do is I add a kalimba and I add another. God damn, I'm spilling my sauce now. But anyway, man, I add another. I add a kalimba, right? Then I add marimba. I mesh them together, and because they sound good when they are together, bro. Now another thing that I think is missing is a pad. I don't know what pad to use, so I'm gonna just try a few, and yeah. I think I'm gonna use a sound from that VX10 thing. So there's the log drum. We have the log drum now. I want the flute as well. The E flute, yes. Then I want maybe the clank. Where is it? Clanky beat. I'm gonna do the drums now. All the drum sounds that I'm gonna use are gonna be from the drum kit Africa. Link is in the description below. now let's work on the lock drum. So to make things simple, I'm just gonna copy the kick, paste it inside the lock drum, and then take this up 1 2 3, then go to the lock drum, make the notes long and take them up, then align them to my shadow, to my ghost notes. These are the root notes of the melody. So I'm gonna play with this one to make the lock drum a little bit longer. Gonna increase this like to make it hit harder. Now let's play with this clunky bass. So that's pretty much the beat. So thank you for watching, and yeah, remember, always keep it simple. Bye.